In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the timesheet for practicum and for student teaching. So first of all, we're on the dashboard screen. You want to open your assessment portfolio. This is the one that has the Program Assessment EP4 Table of Contents. So we'll open that, and then we can minimize the other areas that we're not using right now. Let me open up student teaching just so you can see. Okay, so you can see there's a timesheet page at the end of the practicum. There's also a timesheet page at the end of student teaching. So let's just go to the practicum timesheet. And there's nothing on the page, and this timesheet is built right into Chalk and Wire as a form, so you don't need to go get any other outside document to attach. It's right here. So under Add Content, choose Form, and in the drop-down menu, choose the practicum timesheet. And you can see that there's a separate timesheet for student teaching. And then save. Okay, here's the form. Now let's look at see how you will be assessed on your timesheet. So you can always see your rubrics here, how your assessor will assess you on each page. So a proficient, the highest score, is timesheet was complete with details and verified by the cooperating teacher. Basic is the timesheet was complete, so not many details, and verified by the cooperating teacher. Unsatisfactory, it was incomplete and not verified. So if we return, we can see. Let's open up the timesheet just by clicking on it. So here's the actual timesheet. So you're just going to enter your activities for the day, and it doesn't need to be lengthy. You don't need to type whole paragraphs. Generally, I think at least 3 would be providing enough details to get the highest score. And then you'll enter your time for the day, for each day. And you can see it starts with week 1, and then it goes into week 2 and week 3 in case you're in a 3-week practicum, and then there's an extra week 4 just in case. So you'll just fill out your time for however long your practicum is. So let's just write down a few activities here. So I'm going to say observed math lesson, and then I'm going to say helped with reading groups, and I created a bulletin board. Okay, so then you want to put down your time. So I arrived at 8 and I left at 3:30, and that's a total of 7.5 hours. So that's basically it. You can just list your activities for the day and then your total time for the day. Once you've entered something, just scroll down, click Save, and then back up and close the form. So you can return to the form as many times as needed, and then once the form is complete, you'll just click Submit and submit this to your supervisor like you would any other submission. Now let's look at the cooperating teacher's evaluation form. You can see here at the top, and this will be true for the student teaching evaluation form as well, there's a checkbox and it says, I verify that the time documented on the practicum student's timesheet is correct. This is on the in-task evaluation, and it will also be on the student teaching in-task evaluation. So you can pull up your timesheet on your iPad, on the cooperating teacher's computer, on a laptop, whatever you have available to you in the classroom. So you can just pull it up anytime, once a week or whenever you want to, and the teacher can look through your timesheet, and then they can verify that yes, your time was documented accurately. So that's basically the timesheet.